You don't need to be a coder to run a successful AI business, but you do need these skills. Let me tell you something. The AI wave? It's not a wave, it's a tsunami. And right now, the demand for AI-powered services is absolutely exploding. Businesses everywhere need help implementing these tools, which means massive opportunity for anyone who's paying attention. Listen, I'm talking about a once-in-a-generation chance to build something real, something big. But here's the thing. You don't need to be a tech genius to win. You don't need to know how to code like a hacker in a movie montage. What you do need are the right business and communication skills to leverage the hell out of this technology. And that's what we're diving into today. I'm breaking down the 7+ essential skills that will set you apart in the AI game. We're talking practical, actionable advice you can use right now to start landing clients, delivering value, and building a real business in this exploding market. You with me? Let's go. First things first, you gotta be a problem solver. Anyone can parrot features of the latest AI tool, but clients don't care about the tool itself. They care about the problems it solves for their business. So, step 1 is understanding their pain points. What's keeping them up at night? What are their biggest bottlenecks? Once you understand their problems, you can start thinking about how AI can provide solutions. And this is where critical thinking comes in. Don't just jump on the first shiny AI object you see. Ask yourself, is this the right tool for the job? Will it actually move the needle for my client? For example, let's say you're talking to an e-commerce business owner who's drowning in customer service inquiries. They're overwhelmed, their response times are slow, and it's costing them sales. You could come in and say, hey, I can build you a chatbot with Insert AI Chatbot Platform. But that's not thinking big enough. Instead, think about the outcome they want. They want to reduce customer service time and increase customer satisfaction. So you propose an AI-powered solution that combines a chatbot for handling simple inquiries with an intelligent routing system that directs complex issues to human agents. The result? A 50% reduction in customer service response time and a significant boost in customer satisfaction scores. That's the kind of outcome-driven thinking that separates the pros from the amateurs. You can be the best AI whisperer in the world, but if you can't communicate effectively with clients, you're dead in the water. Remember, most clients don't speak tech jargon. They need you to explain things in a way that makes sense to them. That means ditching the technical terms and using clear, concise language. Think of it like this. You're not explaining AI to a room full of engineers, you're explaining it to your buddy at the bar. Use analogies, use visuals, whatever it takes to make the concepts click. For example, instead of saying we'll use natural language processing to analyze customer sentiment, you could say, we'll train AI to understand how your customers feel about your brand based on their online conversations. See the difference? Building trust is also crucial. Be upfront about what AI can and can't do. Don't overpromise and underdeliver. Set realistic expectations from the start and then overdeliver every single time. And always keep the lines of communication open. Regular check-ins, progress reports, and quick responses to their questions will go a long way in building strong client relationships. Here's the good news. You don't need to be a coding wizard to wield the power of AI. There are tons of incredible no-code AI tools out there that make it easier than ever to build powerful solutions. We're talking about tools like ChatGPT and Jasper for crafting compelling marketing copy that converts like crazy, or Midjourney and Canva AI for creating stunning visuals that would make Picasso jealous. And don't even get me started on video. Pictory, Descript, InVideo. These platforms are absolute game changers for creating professional quality videos without breaking a sweat. And if you want to automate your customer interactions and provide 24/7 support, look no further than ManyChat and BotPress for building intelligent chatbots. The point is, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. These tools are your secret weapons. But here's the catch. You need to know how to use them effectively. That means taking the time to learn the ins and outs of each platform, experimenting with different features, and staying up to date on the latest updates. The more proficient you become with these tools, the more value you can deliver to your clients. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of AI, the learning never stops. Chapter 4. Marketing and Sales. Okay, you've got the skills, you've got the tools, Now you need to get clients. And that means mastering the art of marketing and sales. First, you need to position yourself as the go-to expert in your niche. What industries do you serve? What specific problems do you solve? The more specific you are, the easier it will be to attract the right clients. Next, craft an irresistible offer. What package of services will you provide? What results can clients expect? Remember, value is key. Clearly articulate the benefits of working with you and how you can help them achieve their business goals. Now, where do you find these clients? LinkedIn is a goldmine for connecting with potential clients. Don't be afraid to send cold emails, personalize them, provide value up front, and make it clear how you can help. Platforms like Upwork can also be great for finding your first few clients. And don't underestimate the power of a simple landing page that showcases your services and testimonials. Oh, and here's a bonus tip: use AI to help you write your pitches and marketing materials. Tools like Jasper can craft compelling copy that grabs attention and drives conversions. Chapter 5. Once the clients start rolling in, you need to stay organized or you'll drown. That means mastering the art of project and time management. First things first, invest in a project management tool that works for you. There are tons of great options out there like Notion, Trello, and Airtable. Find one you like and stick with it. Next, break down each project into smaller, more manageable tasks. This will make the work feel less overwhelming and help you stay on track. Set realistic deadlines for yourself and your clients, and communicate clearly about any potential roadblocks. And here's a pro tip: automate as much as possible. Tools like Zapier combined with AI can automate repetitive tasks like scheduling appointments, sending follow-up emails, and generating reports. This frees up your time and mental energy to focus on the things that actually move the needle. Remember, time is your most valuable asset. The better you manage it, the more successful you'll be. Chapter 6. The AI world moves at the speed of light. What's cutting edge today might be obsolete tomorrow. That's why adaptability and a thirst for knowledge are non-negotiable in this game. You need to be on top of the latest trends, tools, and use cases. How do you do that? Easy. Become a sponge, subscribe to industry blogs and newsletters, follow thought leaders and AI experts on social media, join online communities and forums where people are discussing the latest advancements, and most importantly, never stop experimenting. The more you experiment with new tools and techniques, the better equipped you'll be to adapt to the ever-changing landscape of AI. Remember, the only constant in the tech world is change. Embrace it, stay curious, and never stop learning. The more you know, the more valuable you become. Chapter 7. Alright, we've covered a lot of ground, but here are a few bonus skills to take you from good to great. First up, design thinking. Even if you're not a designer, understanding the principles of design thinking will help you create user-friendly AI solutions that people actually enjoy using. Next, basic data literacy. You don't need to be a data scientist, but you should have a basic understanding of how AI models work, what kind of data they need, and how to interpret the results. And finally, cultivate an entrepreneurial mindset. Be proactive, be curious, be relentless in your pursuit of providing value to your clients. The AI space is not for the faint of heart. It requires hustle, it requires grit, and it requires a willingness to constantly learn and adapt. But for those who are willing to put in the work, the rewards are limitless. Look, you don't need a fancy tech degree to win in the AI game. What you need are the business skills, the communication skills, and the hustle to make it happen. Think about it. We just broke down 7 essential skills that can transform you from an AI enthusiast into an AI entrepreneur. So here's what I want you to do. Rate yourself on these skills. Where are you crushing it? Where do you need to step it up? Pick one skill this week and focus on leveling it up. Watch a tutorial, read a blog post, take a course, whatever it takes. And hey, if you want a cheat sheet to keep you on track, download my free AI business skills checklist in the description below. It's packed with resources and action steps to help you level up your AI game. Remember, AI tools are like superpowers. They give you incredible abilities, but it's up to you to use them to build something real. Now get out there and make it happen.